In this video, I will show you how to remove and install the delivery door assembly in the RVV 700 located here. There are 5 screws that must be removed before you can take out the delivery door assembly. 1, 2. As we move inside the cabinet, at the top of the delivery door assembly, you will find screw number 3, number 4, then as you come down the back side, screw number 5. Once the 5 screws are removed, remove this harness from the delivery board. Now we can cut away the caulking used to seal around the delivery door. Now you can remove the delivery door. You may receive resistance from residual caulking. To reinstall your delivery door assembly back into your machine, insert the door back into the cavity. Reinstall the 5 previously removed screws and reconnect your delivery door harness. Then reseal with latex caulking the delivery door assembly.